Welcome to Laksha Academy YouTube channel. Today we discuss some problems in 3D lines and planes. They are given in the previous JEE main. In that one, the first problem is two lines x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z minus 6 by minus 1 and x plus 5 by 7 is equal to y minus 2 by minus 6 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. 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 Intersect at the point R. At the point R, the reflection of R in the xy plane has coordinates. Is a solution. Two lines are given. They are intersect at the point R. At the any point on the first line. 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 Any point on the first line is, suppose it would be lambda 1 into lambda plus 3 lambda minus 1 minus lambda plus 6 any point on the second line is 7 mu minus 5 minus 6 mu plus 2 4 mu plus 3. At their point of intersection these two are equal, means lambda plus 3 is equal to 7 mu minus 5, 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to minus 6 mu plus 2. That implies lambda minus 7 mu is equal to minus 8. This implies 3 lambda plus 6 mu is equal to 3. That implies multiplying with 3, we get 3 lambda minus 21 mu minus 24 by subtracting 21 plus 6 27 mu 27 mu by subtracting minus 7 plus 24 plus 3 is 27. That implies we get mu is equal to 1. We get mu is equal to 1. So the point of intersection is, therefore the point of intersection. The point of intersection, substitute the value of mu in this one, we get 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is the point of intersection of these two lines. Now we want the reflection of R. This is the R. This is the R. The reflection of R in the xy plane. In the xy plane, only z coordinate changes. Only z coordinate changes. Okay now. So reflection of R is, the coordinates of x and y does not change, but the sign of the z coordinate is changes. Reflection of R about xy plane. Reflection of R about xy plane is, about xy plane is 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 7. xy plane reflection తీసుకున్నప్పుడు x coordinate y coordinate does not changes. Okay now, only sign of the z coordinate is changes. Sign of the z coordinate is changes. So reflection of R about xy plane is 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 7. Okay. Next problem. Okay. The perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane containing the two lines x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 5 equal to z plus 5 by 7 and x minus 1 by 1 equal to y minus 4 by 4 equal to z plus 4 by 7 is the plane containing the two lines. మన రిక్వైర్డ్ ప్లేన్ మీద 2 లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్పాను. ఓకేనా, అంటే the plane passing through the points -2 to -5 also passes through the point 1 4 -4. The two lines are lie on the plane, so the vector 3a bar plus 5a bar 7k bar are parallel to the plane, and also the vector I bar plus 4j bar plus 7k bar. These two vectors are parallel to the plane. So equation of the plane passing through the point A bar and parallel to the vectors B bar C bar is equation of the plane equation of the plane passing through A bar and parallel to the B bar C bar is box of R bar minus A bar, B bar C bar is equal to 0. A1 పాయింట్ పాస్ అవుతూ B బార్ C బార్ అనే వెక్టర్స్ కి parallel గా ఉన్నటువంటి ప్లేన్ యొక్క ఈక్వేషన్ ని బాక్స్ ఆఫ్ R bar minus A bar, B bar C bar is equal to 0. That implies that of R bar minus A bar means x plus 2 and y minus 2 z plus 5 is passing through the point minus 2, 2 and minus 5. That of here B bar is 3A bar, 5J bar, 7K bar. Next C bar 1, 4, 7 is equal to 0. By simplifying x plus 2 into 5 7s are 35 minus 28 is 7 minus of y minus 2 into 3 7s are 21 minus 7 is 14 plus z plus 5 into 3 4s are 12 minus 5 is 7, that equal to 0. After cancelling 7 we get x minus 2y plus z. Here 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 11 equal to 0. Plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane containing the given two lines. Now we find out the perpendicular from origin to the plane. Perpendicular distance from origin to mod s of d by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Mod s of d means 11 by square root of a square 1 plus b square 4 plus c square 1. That is equal to 11 by root 6. That is equal to 11 by root 6. The permutation from origin to the required plane is 11 by root 6. Okay, next one. If the angle between the line, if the angle between the line x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 1 equal to z minus 3 by minus 2. Under the plane x minus 2y minus kz is equal to 3 is cos inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. Then a value of k is solution. Angle between the line and plane. Here we find out the angle, line and plane. For angle between the line and line is cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. And also angle between two planes. And also angle between the two planes is also use the same formula. But here we find out the angle between the line and the plane. Angle between line and plane. Here we use sin theta is equal to sin theta. If theta is the angle between the line and the plane, then sin theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Here a1 a2 2 into 1 a1 a2 2 into 1 plus b1 b2 1 into minus 2 b1 b2 plus c1 c2 minus 2 into minus 1 by square root of a1 square 4 plus b1 square 1 c1 square 4 into square root of a2 square 1 plus b2 square 4 plus c2 square 1, that equal to 2 ones are 2 1 into minus plus 2 minus or cancel minus of minus plus 2 by its value is 3 root to 6. But in the given problem, if they are given that given theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 2 into minus k is here. Minus 2 into minus k is there. So it is k square. It is a k square. It is 2k by 3 into root of 5 plus k square. 2k by 3 into root of 5 plus k square. Now theta is given by cos inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. That implies cos theta is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by. Now squaring and adding these two. Squaring and adding. By squaring and adding 4k square 3 3s are 9 into 5 plus k square plus 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 by 9 is equal to 1. This sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. Here by taking LCM, by simplifying 4k square plus 8 into 5 plus k square is equal to 9 into 5 plus k square. 5 plus k square. By simplifying this one, we get the k square is equal to 5 by 3. By simplifying this one, we get the k square is equal to 5 by 3. K square is equal to 5 by 3. So k is equal to root of 5 by 3. K is equal to root of 5 by 3. Okay, next one. Let S be the set of all real values. Set of all real values of lambda such that a plane passing through the points minus lambda square 1 comma minus lambda square 1 and 1 minus lambda square also passes through the point also passes the point -1, -1, 1. Then S is equal to, S is the set of all real values of lambda, such that a plane passing through the 3 points also passes through the point. These 4 points are coplanar. Let the points be, let A -1, -1, 1, B minus lambda square 1, 1, C 1 minus lambda square 1, and D 1, 1 minus lambda square. AB bar. We know that these 4 points are coplanar. So that implies box of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar is equal to 0. Box of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar is equal to 0. That implies let of AB bar. It implies AB bar 1 minus lambda square. 1 minus lambda square. 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 1, 0. AB bar. Now AC bar. 1 minus of minus 1, 2. Minus lambda square plus 1. 1 minus lambda square. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now AD bar. 1 minus of minus 1, 2. 1 minus of minus 1, 2. Minus lambda square minus 1. Minus of 1 plus lambda square is equal to 0. That implies, by expanding to the third column, minus of 1 plus lambda square into minus 1 plus lambda square, 1 minus lambda square, 1 minus lambda square whole square 2 into 2 minus 2 square equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. For this, it is in the form of a square minus b square. 1 minus lambda square minus 2 into 1 minus lambda square plus 2 is equal to 0. So we get minus lambda square minus 1. So from this one, lambda square minus 3 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to plus or minus root 3. Lambda is equal to plus or minus root 3. We want the real values of 9. We want the real values. From this one, we get the imaginary values. Here also we get the imaginary values of lambda. So finally, we are taking 3 lambda square minus 3 is equal to 0. From this one, we get lambda is equal to plus or minus root 3. Therefore, S is equal to set of plus root 3 comma minus root 3 is the required solution. Okay, next one. The length of the perpendicular length of the perpendicular from the point from the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 on the straight line x plus 3 by 10 is equal to y minus 2 by minus 7 is equal to z by 1 is solution. The point, the length of perpendicular from the point on the straight line. This is a given line. Let it be the point A. We want the perpendicular. Put the perpendicular from A on the line. Let the foot of A with respect to line is P. Let P be the foot of the perpendicular of A with respect to the line. And then AP and the line are both are perpendicular. Let A is 2 minus 1 4. Any point on the given line. Any point on the given line. Let it be any point on the line. P is of the form 10 lambda minus 3 minus 7 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 0. 10 lambda minus 3 minus 7 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 0 is the lambda. So AP bar perpendicular to the line. So AP bar dot 10 I bar minus 7 J bar plus K bar equal to 0. AP bar is 10 lambda minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 lambda plus 3 lambda minus 4 dot 10 comma minus 7 comma 1 is equal to 0. Now 10 into 10 lambda minus 5 minus 7 into minus 7 lambda plus 3 plus 1 into lambda minus 4 equal to 0. By simplifying this one, 10 tens are 100 lambda minus of n plus 7 sevens are 49 plus lambda. 49 plus 1 50, 50 plus 100 lambda 150 lambda. 150 lambda. Now constants are minus 50 minus 50 minus 50 minus 21 minus 4 minus 50 minus 21 minus 4 minus 75. That means that is equal to 75. So we get lambda is equal to 1 by 2. Lambda is equal to, and lambda is 1 by 2 and is equal to 1 by 2. Now we want the length of the perpendicular. So PA is equal to square root of 10 lambda minus 5 whole square, 10 lambda minus 5 whole square plus minus 7 lambda plus 3 whole square plus lambda minus 4 whole square. By substituting lambda is equal to 1 by 2. 5 minus 5, 0. It is 0. And lambda is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. By taking LCM 2 to the 6. 6 minus 7 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 4. Minus 1 by 2. 7 7 are 49 by 4. That is equal to 49 plus 1, 50 by 4, 25 by 2. So root of 25 by 2. Root of 25 by 2 is a length of the perpendicular from the point upon the straight line. the equation of the plane containing the line of intersection of the planes of the planes 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0 and y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0, and passing through the point and passing through the point 1, 1, 0 is okay. A equation plane containing the line of intersection of the planes and passing the point. A required plane is of the form. A required plane is of the form pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. Equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes pi 1 and pi 2 is of the form pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. Pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. Here pi 1 is 2x minus y minus 4 plus lambda into pi 2. Pi 2 means y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this plane is passing through the point. Now it is passing through. Now it is passing through 1, 1, 0 by substituting 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 minus 4 plus lambda into 1 plus 0 minus 4 is equal to 0. From this one, lambda is equal to 1 minus 4. Lambda is equal to minus 1. By simplification, we get that. It is also 1 minus 4. It is also 1 minus 4. So lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to minus 1. This value of lambda substitute this equation 2x minus y minus 4 and minus 1 into y minus 2z minus of minus plus 4 equal to 0. So 2x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 0. Minus 2z is equal to 0. X minus y minus z is equal to 0 is the equation of the required plane. Is the equation of the required plane. Next one, the vector equation of the plane the vector equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes x plus y plus z is equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5, which is perpendicular to perpendicular to the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 0 is same route. So equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection planes is of the form pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. That means x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda into 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Now simplifying, the equation of x is 2 lambda plus 1 into x. 2 lambda plus 1 into x. The y term is 3 lambda plus 1 into y. That quotient 4 lambda plus 1 into z. Now the constant term is minus 5 lambda minus 1 equal to 0, which is perpendicular is perpendicular to x minus y plus z is equal to 0. These two planes are perpendicular. The condition is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Means 1 into 2 lambda plus 1 is 2 lambda plus 1. Minus 1 into 3 lambda plus 1 is minus 3 lambda minus 1. 1 into 4 lambda plus 1 is 4 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 lambda minus 3 lambda minus lambda plus 3 and 4 lambda is equal to 3 lambda. Plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, plus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Finally we get lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3 and is equal to minus 1 by 3. By shifting of lambda in this equation, x plus y plus z minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 2x is x. 3y minus 3y are cancel. 3z minus 4z is minus z minus 3 minus plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So here it is in the form of r bar dot I bar, j bar quotient is 0, k bar quotient is minus 1. So I bar minus k bar plus 2 is equal to 0. It is in the form of r bar dot I bar minus k bar plus 2 is equal to 0. Is the vector equation of the required. Is the vector equation of the required plane. Next one. If a point R 4 comma y comma z lies on the line segment joining the points, joining the points P 2 minus 3 4 and Q 8 comma 0 comma 10. Then the distance, of R from the origin is line segment joining the points. Equation line PQ is equation of the line PQ is, you can find, is x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. A, B, C are the DRs of the line. R x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. In this way, x minus 8 by 8 minus 2 is 6. Y minus 0, y by 0 minus or minus 3 plus 3 is equal to z minus 10 by 10 minus 4 is 6. By simplifying, x minus 8 by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z minus 10 by 2 by 2. So here, if a point R lies on the line segment, so R lies on the line, R lies on the line, R lies on PQ, R lies on PQ by shifting R. 4 minus 8 minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal here y by 1 is equal to z minus 10 by 2. So y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 2 into minus 4 plus 10 is equal to 6. That is equal to 6 and we get y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 6. Therefore, the point R is 4 comma minus 2 comma 6. Now we find the distance of R from the origin. Distance of R from the origin. So R, distance of R from the origin is equal to square root of 16 plus 4 plus 36. 16 plus 4 plus 36 equal to is equal to 2 root 14. By simplifying, we get the value equal to root 14. Root 14. Okay. 9 ఈ 2 పీకెన్ పాయింట్స్ కోసం R అనే పాయింట్ ఈ 2 పాయింట్ అనేది లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ మీద ఉందని చెప్పాను. ఈ 2 పాయింట్స్ ఉన్న పాస్ దానికి ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటంటే x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So x minus 8 by 8 minus 2 is 6. Y minus 0 by 0 minus of minus 8 plus 3. Z minus z1. Z minus 10 by z2 minus z1. 10 minus 4 6. 3 table cancel. After cancelling 3 table, we get x minus 8 by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z minus 10 by 2. Point R lies on the line segment joining the points PQ. So R lies on the PQ. Here R is 4yz. 4 y comma z substitute in the equation of the line. In the place of x, I am writing the 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Is equal to y by same. Y by 1 is equal to z minus that by 2. From this one we get y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 6. Therefore, on the point R is 4 comma y value is minus 2 and z value is 6. Now we find the distance of the arc from the origin. Square root of a square, square root of a square plus b square plus c square, or square root of x square plus y square plus z square. 16 plus 4 plus 36. This is 40, 56, 56. 4 table, 14 times cancel. That is equal to 2 root 14 is the answer.